Methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. In this video, we will study about the common method used for the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. The first one is oxidation of alcohols. In the previous topics, we have studied that whenever the primary alcohols oxidizes in the presence of oxidizing agent like acidified potassium dichromate or potassium permanganate, it will always yield aldehyde. We have also studied that by the oxidation of secondary alcohols, we will get ketone. Second method is the dehydrogenation of alcohol. We know the dehydrogenation means the removal of hydrogen from the molecule. When primary alcohols are dehydrogenated, they yield aldehydes. Dehydrogenation includes the removal of hydrogen. So, when primary alcohol undergoes dehydrogenation in the presence of copper at 573 Kelvin, we get aldehyde. Similarly, the dehydration of secondary alcohols in the presence of copper at 573 Kelvin gives ketone. The third method for the preparation of aldehydes and ketones is from hydrocarbons. The alkenes undergoes ozonolysis method to form aldehydes or ketones. This reaction has been studied in class 11th. We know ozone contains three atoms of oxygen, and ozone combines with the hydrocarbon alkene in this manner from double bond. The double bond get opened and get bonded to the oxygen. As a result, we get ozonoid. This ozonoid, when undergoes hydrolysis, it breaks into the final product, that is aldehyde. When the alkene is substituted, the addition of ozones follows the same manner. The double bonds breaks and form the bonds with oxygen atoms of ozone, resulting in the formation of ozonoids. This ozonoid, when undergoes hydrolysis, it breaks into the final product, resulting in the formation of aldehydes and ketones. So in case of substituted alkenes, we get ketone, and in case of linear alkenes, we get aldehyde. By hydration of alkynes. Alkynes are the triply bonded hydrocarbons. When the hydration takes place in the presence of sulfuric acid and mercury sulfate, it gives aldehyde. When the simplest alkyne, that is ethine, is taken, the addition of water results in the formation of aldehyde. But when other alkynes are taken, they always yield ketone. We know the addition takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. Water molecules can be splitted into hydrogen and hydroxyl group. One of the hydrogen goes to one of the carbon and the hydroxyl group goes to the neighboring carbon, resulting in the formation of unstable product. The unstable product rearrange itself. The hydrogen, the hydrogen of the hydroxyl group rearrange itself with the neighboring carbon, resulting in the formation of ethanol. Similarly, in case of alkynes other than ethane, the water molecules add up in this manner. The triple bond converts to double bond and the product so formed is unstable. It will goes rearrangement, that is tautomerism. The hydrogen of the hydroxyl group rearranges itself to form the final product, that is acetone.